This is my Lincoln 210 MP. I'll be opening it up today to search for a gas leak. There's a gas valve inside and a piece of hose. Might be leaking from, because I checked all these connections. It's not leaking from there, but it's leaking from somewhere. So I started by disconnecting the positive, negative, the torch connections, the torch. And to do that, you just open up the side panel and loosen the roller off. Pull it, loosen that off, and the torch comes right out. And just snip that wire and tether it up so it doesn't become unwound. And so I started by taking this bar out. There are 2 screws up in there, and they are Phillips head, so they're different from the rest. The top 2 screws on both the front and the back are different. They're a bit longer than every other screw that's used here. There, 2 there, 2 there, 2 up there, 3 down there for some reason. And basically the same thing on the back with an additional 2 in the center. So you pull them all off and the cover comes out. And here I'm just using soapy water to test the connections at either end of that hose. And my understanding is that the valve could leak, or there could be some connection leaking, but I can't seem to find it in there. And of course it was actually the one on the outside, and there you see it leaking. So I had to go get a new hose because that hose was shot. It was about $15, not that much. I had previously tested that area of the hose, but I guess my soapy water wasn't soapy enough, so it didn't have any bubbles and I couldn't see the leak. But anyways, I'm glad I took it apart. I was able to blow it out with compressed air and really give it a thorough cleaning. That all went smooth, so I'll tighten up these fittings. Now that I've got everything assembled, I just tested it again to make sure that there weren't any leaks, and there weren't. So plug everything back in. Looks like there's a bit of wear on these O-rings, so I was sure to lubricate it before I pushed it in. So strip out all the wire from in the torch, reinsert it into the drive, and there we go.